In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view document history in Google Docs. This is an incredibly useful feature for tracking changes, recovering lost content, and collaborating more effectively with others. So whether you're working on group projects, writing extensively, or just curious about past edits, learning how to navigate to the document history is a must. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to Google Docs. You can do this by entering Google Docs into your preferred search engine and clicking on the Google Docs link, or simply typing docs.google.com directly into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, you may need to log in if you're not already signed in. Use the email account associated with your documents to ensure you access the right content. Now that you're logged in, you'll see a list of your recent documents. Click on the document you want to check the history for. This will open the document in the editing view. If your desired document doesn't immediately appear, use the search bar at the top to find it by name or browse through your folders. With your document open, focus your attention on the top menu bar. You're going to select the File option located in this top toolbar. This is where you'll find a variety of document options and settings. Clicking on File will bring down a drop-down menu full of useful features. In that menu, look for an option labeled See Version History. Clicking on this will open a new pane on the right side of the screen, displaying a timeline of previous versions of your document. You will notice timestamps and possibly the names of contributors if it's a shared file. This timeline shows all the saved versions of the document, allowing you to review or restore any previous state. Each listed entry represents a point where the document was changed and automatically saved. You can click on any of these entries to view what the document looked like at that specific point in time. If necessary, you can restore any version by clicking on the Restore This Version button at the top of the pane. While reviewing the history, remember that you won't lose the current version, as it's still saved and accessible. Viewing document history can give you peace of mind by ensuring that you can always recover content or examine the contribution of collaborators in a shared document. That's all there is to it, really. With these simple steps, you can easily manage and keep track of changes in your Google Doc files. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of Google Docs. Happy editing!